first steering wheel appeared in 1894 by the Panhard Company in France. Now every car or truck has one. As simple as they seem, every steering wheel design goes through years of development and testing, as did Ford steering wheels for the 71 through 77 trucks and Broncos. Today we're going to show you how Dennis Carpenter makes our exact reproduction steering wheels. The manufacturing process begins with the steel framework. Steel rods are cut to length and bent to the correct shape, and all the necessary brackets are stamped from the correct gauge steel. The center hub is CNC machined to strict tolerances. All the steel components are located and precisely clamped into the fixture to begin the welding process. Our skilled craftsmen then TIG weld the frameworks together, and after careful inspection, get them ready for the plastic molding process. The original Ford mold for this wheel had become very worn since it was put into service in 1971, so Dennis Carpenter invested in brand new tooling to make a much better, more consistent product. The mold is a single cavity design with an internal hot runner system and weighs in at 3,800 pounds. We run this mold and many others on our vintage HPM injection mold press, one of our largest presses, measuring 30 feet long, 7 feet wide, and 8.5 feet tall. It weighs a massive 65,000 pounds. It has a maximum clamp force of 500 tons and a capacity of injecting 75 ounces of plastic at a time. Manufactured by the same company that supplied Ford Motor Company, the plastic we use is a green renewable blend made specifically for Dennis Carpenter. An automated material handling system delivers both new and recycled plastic into a drying hopper to dry and keep a consistent mixture, which is then conveyed on demand to the machine for processing. An operator will install a steel core to the mold along with two special inserts that help form the part. 1.2 pounds of plastic heated to a melt temp of 350 degrees is then injected into the mold at 1600 psi and held at pressure for 30 seconds to form the part and allow air to escape. The mold is then held closed at a lower pressure for an additional 180 seconds, allowing the plastic to begin to cool and solidify. As the mold is opened, an operator will remove the wheel and install another core and a second set of inserts to begin the process again. The overall cycle time is 5 minutes, averaging 80 steering wheels a day. As the next part is being molded, the operator inspects the part and begins trimming the excess plastic from the wheel. It then goes on to further inspection and additional trimming, after which it is stacked into a bin to go to our packaging department. And then they are carefully wrapped and boxed. From here, the wheels go to our warehouse to await order fulfillment and shipping to one of our customers. We hope you enjoyed this inside look at our exactive original steering wheels made right here in the USA by Dennis Carpenter. You can find these and other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, tricks, new products, and installation videos.